In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Siri language to English. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change the language options for Siri and choose among all of them, including English, of course. So to find all of these options, access these settings and look for the Siri category. Depending on the version of your iOS, you might see it under Apple Intelligence and Siri, or you will see the Siri category standalone. Simply look for the Siri category and go inside. Now, once you find the Siri settings, you will see voice and language. These are going to be the two main options that refer to changing language and, of course, voices. So if you choose language at the top, you will now be able to browse through all of them. So you will see all of them listed here, and you have plenty of English options. So you have United States English, United Kingdom, South Africa, Singapore, and so on. You can choose whichever one you prefer. Some of them, like English India, will have additional options, and as long as you select them from here, you will get a prompt to confirm that you want to change it, and you will be good to go. You can do the exact same thing with voice. Voice will give you different options and different accents, so you can choose an American voice, and it's going to give you 5 preset accents to choose from. Sadly, to my knowledge, there's no way to set up a custom voice, but regardless, if you only care about changing the actual language and not the voice for Siri, then you can do so through that first menu. You will still have full access to Siri, and you don't even have to restart your device. As long as you change it through this menu, everything will be applied right away, and you can select any of the available English options in here. There are plenty more to explore, and everything will be saved as soon as you select it. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Siri language to English. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.